Welcome to Unit 4, Characteristics of Highly Effective Leaders. This unit provides a greater perspective on what it takes to effectively lead a project team. We'll start by defining the differences or the difference between managing versus leading, in addition to group effectiveness versus project excellence or team excellence. Once these concepts are established, we'll discuss project leader responsibilities, outcomes, and actions. Finally, this unit will wrap up by providing some guidelines for effective project team leadership. Upon completion of this unit, you will be able to describe the difference between managing versus leading, in addition to group effectiveness versus team excellence. You will be able to outline team leader responsibilities and outcomes, explain tasks, relational and environmental leadership actions, and you will be able to formulate guidelines for effective project team leadership. To start, it's important to define the difference between managing and leading. Overall, managing produces order and consistency across a team, while leading produces change and movement. Management focuses on planning and budgeting, which includes establishing agendas, setting timetables or timelines, allocating resources, where leadership focuses on establishing direction, which includes creating a vision, clarifying the big picture, and setting strategies. Secondly, management focuses on organizing and staffing, which includes providing structure, making job placements, and establishing rules and procedures. While leadership focuses on aligning people to include communicating goals, seeking commitment, building teams and coalitions. Finally, leadership focuses on controlling and problem solving to include developing incentives, generating creative solutions, and taking corrective action, where leading focuses on motivating and inspiring to include inspiring and energizing, empowering followers, and satisfying unmet needs. Next, we look at some differences between group effectiveness and team excellence. Enabling conditions leading to group effectiveness include a compelling purpose, the right people, a real team, clear norms of conduct, supportive organizational context, and team-focused coaching. While characteristics of team excellence include clear and elevating goals, a results-driven structure, competent team members, unified commitment, a collaborative environment, standards of excellence, external support and recognition, and principled leadership. Project team leader responsibilities include direction, which includes aligning the project team in a manner that will achieve the project team objective or goal. Protection, including protection from outside influences, which can cause confusion for the team. Orientation, which includes assembling, developing, orienting the team toward the project objective or goal, managing conflict in a manner that allows for innovation while protecting the team from the impacts of negative conflict, and finally, shaping norms, which refers to the establishment of a positive team culture where all members understand their roles and the proper team behaviors. As expected, the outcomes associated with effective team leadership are very positive in nature. We can expect to see greater productivity, more effective use of resources, better decisions, improved problem solving, overall better quality, and greater innovation and creativity. Leadership actions have been described as internal, inward to the team, or external, within the team environment or within the environment that the team works. Internal leadership actions can be task-oriented or relationship-oriented. Task-oriented actions include goal focusing, getting the team aligned with the goals and objectives of the project, structuring for results, organizing the team, in other words, decision making, training or developing the team, maintaining standards of excellence, following up to ensure that the team is aligned and functioning in accordance with team standards and expectations. Relationship-oriented actions that a leader will display include coaching team members, collaborating across the team, managing conflict and power issues within the team, building commitment toward the team's objectives, satisfying individual team member needs, and modeling ethical and principled practices. Finally, external or environmental leadership actions include networking across teams, forming alliances within the organization, advocating for and representing the team, negotiating upward with management and other leaders, buffering team members from external distractions, assessing environmental factors related to performance, sharing relevant environmental information with the team. Effective project leaders ensure team involvement early in the project lifecycle. Effective leaders define the work process and team structure. They define or develop organizational interfaces and communication channels. They staff and organize the team properly. Effective leaders build a high-performance image for the team. They stimulate enthusiasm, excitement, and professional interest. Effective leaders ensure senior management support. They build commitment. They manage conflict and problems. They conduct team building sessions. Effective leaders provide proper direction and leadership. And finally, they foster a culture of continuous support and involvement. The following references were leveraged for use in development of this presentation.